Soul of brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today's session is continuation of the fundamentals of organic chemistry. Last class we are discussed about nomenclature. Nomenclature we are classified into two types, common name and IPAC name. IPAC name formula very important. Secondary prefix, primary prefix, word root, primary suffix, secondary suffix. By using this formula, we have to write down the name of the organic compound. Next, IPAC rule, then nomenclature of aromatic compounds. Aromatic compound, first one, nucleus, nuclear substituted, another one is a child chain. Now, we are discuss about some functional group and classes of organic compounds. First one, alkyl halide. Alkyl halide are haloalkane or halogen derivatives of alkane. These are classified into different types. First one, classification. Monohalogen derivatives. Another one, dihalogen derivatives. Another one, trihalogen derivatives. Another one, tetrahalogen derivatives. Here, monohalogen derivatives formula CnH2n plus 1x. Dihalogen derivatives formula CnH2n x2. Trihalogen derivatives formula CnH2n minus 1 x3. Tetrahalogen derivatives formula CnH2n minus 2 x4. What is the first one? Monohalogen derivatives. What is the meaning for monohalogen derivatives in alkane? Molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. One hydrogen replaced by one halogen. That is CnH2n plus 1x. This is known as meaning for monohalogen derivatives. What is the molecular formula? CnH2n plus 1. What are the compounds involved in the topic we discuss about later. General formula Rx. What is the meaning for X? X is a halogen. What are the halogen? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Halogen valency 1. Molecular formula CnH2n plus 1x. What are the compounds? Common name IPAC name. What is the molecular formula? Cn H2N plus 1 X. X is a halogen. Halogen is what? Prefix. That is a halo. It is a prefix. Common name. These are the what? Alkyl group. Alkyl halide. IUPAC name. Haloalkane. For example, N is equal to 1. N is the number of carbon atoms. Here C, H3, any one of the halogen. Common name alkyl halide. Here only one carbon. We know about the valency of carbon. First, what is the valency of carbon? Valency of carbon 4, hydrogen 1, oxygen 2, nitrogen 3. These are the fundamental valency used in organic compounds. This one carbon is a methyl chloride. What is the IUPAC name? Haloalkane. This is a chloromethane. So simple. Can you understood? Easy to do. Okay, next compound. CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. 3 carbon atom. In the longest chain, 3 or more carbon present mean we have to give the notation small n for the common name. Total common carbon, 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. It is a propyl chloride. IUPAC name given by the numbers. Here functional group as a substituent is a functional group attached to the first carbon. Give the least number. 1, 2, 3. That is a 1 chloro. Totally common carbon, 3 carbon. Propane. Word and number, how to write hyphen. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, Cl. This is a branched compounds. Second compound there is a branch. Branch one, first one same mean this iso. This iso compound last class we are discussed. Iso. Totally common number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means butyl chloride. IUPAC name given from the functional group. 1, 2, 3. In the first portion there is a what? Halogen. Second portion there is a branch, that is a methyl group. So 1 chloro, 2 methyl. Remaining common carbon 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. Propane. Another one. CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, CH3. It's another one compound. Functional group as a substituent attached to carbon carrying 1 hydrogen 2 alkyl group. If 2 alkyl groups are same or differ, differ means secondary. Secondary. Totally common carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon. Butyl chloride. What about IUPAC name? How to give the number? Functional group attached to the carbon, which is there is a less carbon, give the least number. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second portion, there is a functional group. So 2 chloro, common carbon, 4 carbon. 2 chloro butane. Next compound. CH3, 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 Cl. Functional group attached to this carbon carrying no hydrogen, 3 alkyl group. This name is called tertiary. Tertiary totally common carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Butyl chloride. Another one is hypocene. How to give the number? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. First, what is the rule for hypocene? First, select the longest carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Which one is the longest? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In the second position, there is a methyl group and substituent. So, 2 chloro, 2 methyl, remaining common carbon 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon propane. Another compounds. This compound is a neo compound. What is a neo compound? Center carbon valence 4. This carbon atom attached with 4 other carbon atom. This name is called a neo. Neo. Totally common carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neo pentyl chloride. Hypocene. Select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3. Vertical 3 carbon. Horizontal also 3 carbon. Next, what is the values for halogen? Halogen attached with the first carbon give the least number 1, 2, 3. 1 chloro. In the second portion there is a 2 methyl group. So how to say the number in 2 times? 1 chloro 2,2 dimethyl. There are 2 methyl group. Remaining common carbon atom 3 carbon. So propane. 1 chloro 2,2 dimethyl propane. Word and number have to write the hyphen. Between the number have to write the comma. Another compounds. CH2 double bond CH. CH2 Cl. These are unsaturated compounds. How to give the number? 1, 2, 3. There is this name allyl chloride. Hypocene. This third portion there is a functional group 3 chloro. Totally common carbon atom 3 carbon atom. Prop. What is the position of this functional group? First position 1E. Another one. This one best example for alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compounds is combining the double bond and Cl. Double bond is the first priority. 1, 2, 3. Common name cyclohexenyl chloride. Hypocene 3 chloro cyclo hex 1E. Because of 1E means E means refers to carbon carbon double bond, N carbon carbon single bond, I carbon carbon triple bond. Here carbon carbon double bond present in the nucleus, alicyclic compound. This one is the best example for alicyclic compound. Next one, aromatic compounds. Here common name phenyl. This is a phenyl group. Phenyl chloride. Hypocene. This is a halogen. Chlorobenzene. Another one. This one best example for mono-substituted aromatic compound. This one best example for di-substituted aromatic compound. In the di-substituted aromatic compound is a name totally differ. Any one of the group act as a epo group. Epo group nearest carbon ortho, next carbon meta, opposite carbon para. Here this B are present in the meta portion. So meta, totally how many Br? 2 Br. So dibromo benzene. IPAC name given by the number. This epo group up as a first position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 3 dibromo benzene. This one, another one. In the benzene nucleus, there are 6 hydrogen. Among 6 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen replaced by the 4 different halogen. How to give the number? This one is a complicated. This type of question may be asked in the NEET. This compound follow the lowest locant sum rule. How to identify the lowest locant sum rule? For example, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the quotient? 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 5. Totally how many? 8, 10, 11. One priority. Another one. Fluorine, bromine, chlorine. Another one is iodine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 5, 11. Another possibility. One, two, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 5 plus, 6. 1, 3, 5 plus 6. 11, 14, 15. This compound follow the lowest locant sum rule. This number 11, this 11, this 15, not follow. Both are same. If any compound both numbers same means next to follow the alphabetic orders. Here first number fluoro. First one is chloro. Which one is the first one? Chloro. What's the name? Is alphabetic order. 2 promo. 1 chloro. 3 fluoro. 5 iodo. Totally how many carbon? 6 carbon. So benzene. B, C, F, I. This compound very important compound. This type of compound may be asked the NEET. Simple, easy to do. Okay. Then one, dihalogen derivatives. In alkane, Cn, H2n plus 2. 2 hydrogen can be replaced by the 2 halogen. Cn, H2n, X2. This one best example for dihalogen. Dihalogen derivatives can be classed with three types. First one, gem dihalide. Another one, vicinal dihalide. Another one, terminal dihalide. First one, gem dihalide. What is the meaning for gem dihalide? If halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom, this is known as gem dihalide. Name alkylidene chloride. CH3, C, Cl, Cl, CH3. This one is a terminal, this one is a non-terminal. What is the name? Common name alkylidene chloride. Here how many carbon? 2 carbon, ethylidene chloride. This is a common name, IPAC name. Functional group attached to the first carbon give the list number 1, 2. So 1, 1 trichloro ethane. This common longest chain 1, 2, 3. Total how many carbon? 3 carbon. This name propylidene chloride. IPAC name 2, 2 trichloro propane. These two are example for gem dihalide. Another one, vicinal dihalide. What is the valence of carbon? Carbon valence 4, 1, 2, remaining 2. Hydrogen valence 1, halogen valence 1. What is the definition for vicinal dihalide? If halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atom, that is a vicinal. This is known as vicinal dihalide. Examples: alkaline dihalides. Here 2 carbon eth, so ethylene dichloride. IPAC name 1, 2. 1, 2 dichloro ethane. Here 1, 2, 3. What's the name? Total how many carbon? 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. Propylene dichloride. IPAC name 1, 2 dichloro propane. These two are example for vicinal dihalide. Another one, terminal dihalides. What is the definition for terminal dihalide? If halogen atom attached to the terminal carbon, this is known as terminal dihalide. 1, 2, 3. Totally how many carbon? 3 carbon. So trimethylene dichloride. IUPAC name 1,3 dichloropropane. Here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the name? Tetra methylene dichloride. What's the IUPAC name? 1,4 dichloro. Totally how many carbon atom here? 1, 2, 3. Here 4 carbon atom. So butane. Trihalogen derivatives. Trihalogen derivatives, another name, haloform. What is the definition for trihalogen derivatives in alkane? Cn H2n plus 2. 3 hydrogen can be replaced by the 3 halogen. Cn H2n minus 1 X3. Best example, CH Cl3, CH Br3, CH I3. Chlorine present mean this name called as chloroform, bromoform, iodoform. These are the best example for trihalogen derivatives. IUPAC name is no need to give the number because of 3 halogen attached to the same carbon atom. So trichloromethane, this one tribromomethane, this one triiodomethane. Next one, tetrahalogen derivatives. What is the definition for tetrahalogen derivatives? In alkane, 4 hydrogen atom can be replaced by the 4 halogen. Cn H2n minus 2 X4. This one example for tetrahalogen derivatives. For example, CCl4. CCl4 is a non-polar solvent, organic compounds. So what's the name? Carbon tetrachloride. Another one, CBr4. Carbon tetrabromomethane. Carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrabromide. These two are best example for tetrahalogen derivatives. What is the valency of carbon? Carbon valency 4, halogen valency 1. Another one is a complicated compounds. Halogen attached with the first carbon. This is a primary carbon. How to give the name? This is a common name. We do not give the common name, but only for the IUPAC name. This one is a complicated structure. IUPAC name, first follow the IUPAC rule. First rule, select the longest carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Longest. From functional group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbon atom. This is point number 1. Point number 2, numbering the longest carbon atom, number given. Third one is a name the substituent. In the second portion, there are 2 substituents. So, 2 methyl group. In fifth portion, 1 methyl group and another 1 methyl group. Both are same. Next, numbering the substituent. Next, write down the IUPAC name. What is the rule for write down the IUPAC name? First, secondary prefix plus primary prefix. Next, word root, primary suffix, secondary suffix. Secondary prefix indicate substituent. Here, halogen acts as a substituent. Another one is a primary prefix. This indicate alicyclic compounds. Next, word root. This number of carbon atom present in the longest chain. Another one is a suffix. Primary suffix indicate whether the chain is saturated or unsaturated. Saturated means carbon-carbon single bond. Unsaturated means carbon-carbon double bond. Last, finally, is a secondary suffix. Secondary suffix indicate functional group. Here there is no functional group. This is a substituent. How to give the name? First one, halogen present in the first carbon atom. So, 1 chloro. In the second portion, there are 2 methyl groups. Fifth portion also 2 methyl group. So, have to say the number in 2 times. 2, 2, 5, 5. Tetra. Totally how many methyl group? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tetramethyl. Totally how many carbon atom? 7 carbon atom. So, heptane. Another one. Br is a Br. How to give the number? From first any one of the substituent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First, third, fifth. So 1, 3, 5. Dry promo. This name benzene. This one example for dry substituted benzene. These are the nomenclature. Let us recap some of the functional groups of organic compounds. First, alkyl halide. Alkyl halide classification. Mono halogen derivatives, dihalogen derivative, trihalogen derivatives. Another one, tetrahalogen derivatives. Common name alkyl halide. IUPAC name haloalkane. Organic compound is a volatile nature. How to practice regularly, then get highest mark. Good luck.